video. Shenseea Boiler Room. Congrats, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the follow. How did you find the stream? Y'all know how I feel about Shenseea. I gotta see this. Y'all gotta understand, man. We are, as WSG, we are expanding our music horizons.
If you're ready to see Shenseea, let me hear you make some noise.
Oh, this is Jamaica.
I said if you're ready to see
Boiler Rooms.
Shenseea, let me hear
Don't
you
congratulate
say
this
yeah.
inconsistent. What are you talking about? I streamed every day this month. I done streamed every day. Where's Shenseea at?
Boiler Room.
First thing in the morning,
What you do?
when I wake up,
What you say?
thank God for life.
Then what?
Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed. Yes, I'm the best, 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 best.
Make it Wayne. Make it Wayne. Make it Wayne. Hold on. I look for reacts.
How you try, you can never be, never. Keep it from the side, make we take this blood clot.
Ready.
To pretend, 10, I'm a part-time too, that's a 10.
Miami.
Never ever beg friend, if they're not with we don't worry about
You
them.
say.
Hey.
Blind man can see it. So every day I repeat it, I say, first thing in the morning,
Wait.
your time,
What you say?
next slide. Then what? Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm the best,
Turn it up.
best,
Turn it up.
best, best, best. Wait,
Hey. Ain't gonna lie, this crowd is too calm for me. This crowd is too damn calm. Do y'all not see who performing right now? This gotta be the baddest woman, the baddest popping female artist out right now. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Y'all not hype enough for me. Everyone trying to act all mad nonchalant. Like, if y'all don't get lit, yeah, Siren, we react to a lot of different stuff. We're a well-rounded community over here. So if you're like well-rounded, you found the right community. Wagwan, Shenseea.
How are you guys feeling tonight?
Shinabang. Jeez Louise, bro.
You know, I had to step out the boiler room, undress with my athletic fit.
Me athletic.
Because
Now
fitness
that accent is fire.
is very important because we have to keep the body sexy and nice, don't it?
That's it.
I don't know about some girls in here.
Look, man, I know that a lot of these Jamaicans, they be saying they don't eat the poom poom, but you can't tell me there's a single Jamaican man right now that's not, come on, bro. You can't tell me there's a single Jamaican man that's not doing that. If she's asking, keep it a buck. I understand Jamaicans, they known for that, but they eating that, bro. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. Come on, bro. That's what I'm saying, Slime. Like, they capping. They capping.
But I'm a hot girl for life, yeah? When I say Shen, you say Yang. Shen? Shen? When I say Shen, boiler
Yang.
room, say Yang. Shen? Shen?
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man don't say me walk on them.
Boiler Room. Turn it
Now,
down.
the dance hall sound is so fire.
No girl can't see me and start problem.
You see them a man clown, so we walk on them. We no love shot, but we are one them. Start shooting a man, now fight them.
If me I take your man.
Them always see me in the street and pass and always spot over in Eva.
Bro, her accent is deep.
Me now me that. But if me I take your man, me I keep that. She a the street and pass
and always spot over in Eva.
Now, look, if she's singing to me and looking at me like this, come on, bro. Shenseea, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. I got 3 cards. Take your pick. Come on, man. I'm keeping it a buck, bro. I'm not a trick, but I consider it. I'm not a trick, but I consider it.
And we spot to friend.
Taco.
We big bad and brave, so me beat me chest. No girl can see me and try text it. The bitch would have sex, so bring her to the vet. Sheng some S in a chest when we step. No fight over, man, we no trace over. Some girl head full of ear like para. When me and him par, everybody say we cute. She turn on a big gate and take another room.
The crazy thing is I don't know what she's saying, but that's fine. I'm fine with that.
But she don't.
And if a girl go young, and whisper to friend.
Taco.
When cocky good, baby you a fish here.
She said me cocky good?
Me favorite. Me good pussy chip cocky and favorite. Send him a your yard after so you be. Yeah, say I yearn but
Her pussy and me caca. What does that mean? Cause is there anyone here that speak Jamaican? I don't know. It sounded OD.
good pussy chip cocky and favorite. Send him a your yard after so you be. Yeah, say I yearn but afraid for the clear it. That means say you're not your own then.
No,
If we a thief man who in a para are. Sing the party of me right now.
If a girl touch me, me not say me not me that. But if me I take your man, me I keep that. She have to see me in a street.
She said, if me take your man, I'ma keep that. She said, if I take your man, I'ma keep that. Dang, bro. Chat, keep it a buck. Chat, keep it a buck. I know I got mainly men in this chat right now. Say, for example, you with your girl. You walking with your girl. And Shenseea walks past. And she does one of these. She does one of these to you. What you doing? Keep it a buck. Keep it 100. Keep it 100 with me. What you doing? You with your girl. And Shenseea, you see her out. Y'all in the same place. And she choosing up. What you doing? What y'all doing? And don't lie. I'm gonna keep it a whole band. I'm not gonna do nothing because black men don't cheat. But that'd be one of the hardest decisions of my life. I probably later on that day be like, man, that really happened. And it will be like, it will be in my mind for about a week. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna be what up, Kasey? What's good with you? Are you good, man? Trying to catch up on my reacts, bro. I'm behind the game.
That's what that's called. Any
Shenyang.
independent ladies in here tonight?
Independent?
I represent for the ladies who is not afraid to work for their own money. Who can really look on a boy and say, hey, you boy, you can't tell me.
You from Jamaica? Yeah.
You nah go hold me down. No, rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. Yeah, we are what? You can't tell me.
Ooh.
You know, Bobby Show.
Me at the start of me and a fan of you do what me wanna follow.
You see?
Me nah itch up under no man arm like boss position, son of boy can't drive. Rebel from tier one.
Yeah.
Real bad girl, son of boy can't drive.
Real bad girl. She's a real bad girl. Bro, I love the accent. The accent's so fire.
Shenseea, if you match up your business, that's too insecure that you use. Watch your pum pum away you call that. Your own things to fuck with.
I don't know what she's saying half the time though, chat. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But I love the vibes.
Me not know about you, but me know about me. No man can lick me.
No.
No man can lick me? What does that mean? Bro, can some Jamaicans please let me know what she mean by that? She said no man can lick me. What do you mean by that?
Them man more than all them love them own picnic. Fi whole man, some of them have a sex girl must be mental. Them a fuck fi credential. You know want do the oral, but a drop your moral fi keep man way up 24. Me not care, you don't touch me rear. Me and me one bigger man pass. Big stage, me have to see
No, touch my rear.
So better you go on your way, so you can't tell me. And if we go, oh, we dread. Me are the stars, so me and no fan, you do what me wanna follow you. Now each up under no man armor.
Roll on.
She's got a good voice though.
Program shit.
Rebel from tier one. Real bad girl, so no
I loved her song on DDG's album, by the way.
fight. Oh, we don't need donation.
I want to make something like this, chat. But I don't know if it would hit because I don't speak patois. But I would love to make a song like this. You know what, chat? We're gonna do that. We're gonna make a Shenseea song on stream one day. We're gonna make a Shenseea song on stream, chat. We're gonna do that. Shoot, we could do that tonight.
I see y'all in the mood to turn the fuck up tonight. I think we should have a little
Like a late night segment.
a cappella session going on. Waiting for your skull.
Yes, let's make that sing.
Because as independent ladies, when I like broke man, don't it?
You know, like broke man.
So I want y'all to help me sing this song if you know it. It's one of my favorite songs. It goes, no, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is that all I can.
Sing. And
Is she singing TLC?
Trying to holler at me.
Again.
I don't want no scrub.
yeah.
She's got a good voice, like
From
naturally.
me.
She's got a good voice. What the
Shot my
world?
version now. This one is called Dating Season by me.
Oh, I know this song. I know this song. I reacted to this song.
No panic.
This was one of the most craziest chat. I don't know if y'all remember this. I don't know if y'all remember. I reacted to her music video to this song. And this song, how do I tell you, that's one of the best music videos I've ever seen in my life. Amazing music video, man. The artistry was just phenomenal.
Jen, what you say?
Me and date two people at the same time.
What?
Just what?
Sure.
Playing two sides at the same
Same
time.
time.
Yeah.
Might end
Just
up in a
with my
problem,
options.
but I not cheat, me I cheat, just I get by. And if me give it up, me not
Doing it raw. Yes! Yes, Shenseea, yes! Yes!
cheat, me I cheat, just I get by. And if me give it up, me not
Doing it raw.
If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love you can't give me no
Let's go.
Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's a year.
Yes!
You know, say
Yes!
it might sound crazy, but
Yes!
you know, pick
Yes!
share me, share me.
Sure.
Yes!
You wanna me man, when I have to explain, man, I no obligation. Journey may be slow, but me have to sure say I the one. So me have couple of on in a rotation. Harmony them off a mix. Can you go to check? If you the best candidate, then I get select. But if you want go, baby, I can go. I mean, would you blame you because me never clear me out.
Let's go.
Have two people I ring my phone line.
And
And I ask when we are gonna spend time.
I remember this song.
At the same time. We just a mingle, baby, cause we out. Two people
At the same time, that was where my options say.
Might end up in a some problem.
Voila.
And I cheat, me I cheat, just I did
Voila.
but not doing
It
it
raw.
Me and you know them and love you can't give me no talk.
Sure.
Just I be myself and I play my. And if you fall in love, you know what.
Look, man, if I fall in love, it is what it is, chat. Sometimes you just gotta take that risk, bro. Sometimes you just gotta take that risk sometimes, chat. And for Shenseea, I'm taking that risk. It is what it is. I'm taking that risk, bro. Yeah, I'm taking that risk, bro. If it don't work out, you know what I'm saying? At least I have my moment. You know what I'm saying, chat? Y'all feel me on that? She might do me dirty. It is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta take that shot. Just enjoy the time.
Say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have a share me. Leg of the next one now.
make some noise for Shenseea.
Leg of the next one. Anybody feeling sexy tonight?
Me!
All my
I
sexy
am.
ladies.
Baby, up your pin right now.
Sure.
Me a come make a link right now.
All right, chat. Next stream segment. Shenseea concert. It's in Paris. We're going to Paris. We cool with that, chat? We cool with that? We either got Paris and we got Norway. Yeah, it needs to be done. I think it's we should have been done this. We should have been done this. Ticketmaster. France. Looks like we going to France, chat. Looks like we going to France. Goodness gracious. It's pissing me off.
Right now. Talk to them, shit.
You want my pussy tight, coming like this.
Brand new.
And you fi give me big deal whenever you drive through. Me no want nothing quick, me no want no fast. I need it 90 minutes long like a match a man. You just
19 minutes long? I can do that! Hit you with I'm about to hit you with the YRG chair. Shoot. 19 minutes? I can do that. I can do that. Come on, Shen. Stop playing with me. Come on. I can do that.
Just keep up on the bed or keep on coming back because and if your name call pan this, you get like a clout. If you can't remember come, then the sex don't.
Miami.
Just a giddy up on me with
You.
spitting on me mouth coming like that.
Two.
I wait for all night when I have
Go, I'm trying to catch a little wine.
I mean, we do anything you want me to.
Hey.
Anybody go down, let me work too.
I gotta look at these lyrics. I don't know what she's saying half the time though.
Miami ladies.
Die for you.
What
Why
I'ma
the
do?
room me I die for you. Die for you. All of my good pussy girl, let me hear you make some noise.
If you're a good pussy gal,
All of my fat pum pum girls, let me make some noise.
she got the fat poom poom.
All of my
Yo, I'm mad at that. I'm added that to my when I'm describing a girl. I need the girl with a fat poom poom. She gotta have the fat poom poom. I'm adding that to my scroll, my emote wheel. I'm adding that to my emoticons, chat.
My tight pum pum girls, let me hear you make some noise. Every girl in a boiler room from your pum pum good, let me hear you scream.
If your poom poom good, nah, all y'all poom pooms is good. Keep it a buck.
Shenseea.
Oh, she about to do the whole drive. I didn't see how long this was.
Oh, you go.
Again.
Yeah. DJ, boiler room. Me bend over me go.
Stop it up.
Tight to all of me.
What?
Yes.
You lick up your size, let me grip you with
Yes.
the side that me call you.
You see heaven between my thighs. What my white come sex me right.
Wetter than an ocean with the tide. Dance around and me never have to revive you. Me say,
Baby love, be my love.
underneath her.
Comfort.
Type of pussy we make him.
Chop.
Never get a girl like me. Make me say yes, my love.
Would you love?
Yeah. Sweater run like gold punch off. And me have good comfort.
Talk to them.
Me sitting blessings.
Falling from a kitchen.
Save him from fast pussy when he pressing. Touch and make you feel good. Slap your head in. Don't fat you coulda swear so you're swelling
Go.
me. You excite me like. We stick with the truth.
Look.
Yo, you supposed to be catching the wine on her, my man. Big man. Yo, he's a batty boy. Batty boy. You supposed to be catching the lot. You supposed to be catching a little wine from the gyal here. Not you whining on gyal. You supposed to catch wine, not do no wine. What you doing? The batty boy. How that sound, chat? That sound good? That sound good? How that sound? That sound good? I know I got some Jamaican viewers. I know that. How that sound? Is that good?
60 toes, but so love you when me take all you.
Whoa! What the heck? No, she's actually different. She's actually different. Do y'all not see that?
Don't move fat, you coulda swear so you're swelling me. You excite me like. We stick with the truth.
Look.
The chat is silent and 60 toes, but so love.
Oh, wow. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Right here. Y'all don't see. I peep stuff that y'all don't be peeping. Wait.
So love you when me take call you. She deep toes. So love you when me take call you. 16 toes. So love you when me take call you.
I need it. She didn't have to do all that, bro. She didn't have to do all that, bro. She did not have to do all that. Shenseea, you didn't have to do all that. Like, that was just, it was just like, now you're feeding into my delusions, and this is not good for me. She's feeding into my delusions, and this is not good for me.
Ready. Put your one coming body hot like George. Me have something for your boss. Lost and free, give me like it.
Alive.
Fight we going sometimes fierce tight, so me give you some trouble. What a part.
Yeah, I can see it. She's gonna ruin my life if I ever meet this woman. She will ruin my life if I ever met this woman. Sight! Me's a real bad man. Me's a real bad man. No gal can make me get off my steez. No gal get off my steez, because I'm a real bad man. Come on, bro. Stop playing with me. But she would definitely be a worthy opponent, though. She would definitely be a worthy adversary.
Nice inside of me, boom, boom, boom.
Miami.
Whoa.
Come from.
Yeah. Never get a girl like me. Yes, my love. Whoa.
I can see you ruin your life. Kasang, you must be young. You must be young, Kasang. You must be young. Stay young. Just stay young. Come here.
Ready now.
Come here.
Good come from.
Bro, I'm 28.
Hold on.
She trying to, whoa.
We got the girls in here tonight, and they want broke out. I see her there. She's winding up her waist. She shake her like a ass. She do her like a thing.
Trying to catch a little wine, you know.
But I think that she's so confident, right?
Okay.
You think that because that she alone do it? I will get somebody for join her too.
Let's get them involved.
I think I want to get somebody beside you to on top of it. I need another sexy girl up here tonight with me. You?
Yeah, man.
She shy.
Yeah,
shy?
man.
Oh, she not shy. Oh shit, come here. Come.
She's shy.
Come.
Come forward. Yes. But like your colors.
She like your colors.
Shy. Come here. You said you're not shy?
Huh? You're not shy.
Not shy?
Yo, what's wrong with that? Yo, how tall is Shenseea? Because she pretty tall.
A freaky
Are
girl?
Jamaican women just tall?
What you say? Are you a freak?
I can't tell you that, but know what you know.
Okay.
She said she don't want us in her business boiler room. I would rather her to show us then. What you gonna say, yeah? Drop the next one, no? You, more you show the crowd what you show me while ago.
Yeah, show her first.
Give me the phone. Give me the handbag.
Ready.
Give me the handbag.
The phone.
Warm up. Watch out.
Hey.
Back it up.
See, I'll say this though about Jamaica. Jamaica, they still get lit like old school party lit in Jamaica. They don't get lit like this in the US anymore. Everybody trying to aura farm now in the US.
All right. Go down. Don't tell me no. Don't fast start. Bomba Clyde.
Shabbat.
People like them will get like in the beginning, but after some time it will go away. I just get
Yes, a fire squad.
easily. He said I get disgusted very easily.
Why What is
That's
your
crazy.
name? Chris. Do you have a man? Yes. Oh, shit. She's taken, guys. She's taken.
Run it.
Keep your eyes to yourself. Drop that shit again.
See, I would love to do an interview with Shenseea. I feel like she would answer all my questions.
You better warm us up, girl.
I try to get the
You
liquor
better
wine,
warm
sauce
us
the
up,
liquor
girl.
wine, boom, boom.
Whoa. Back it up,
Like a hard drive,
You turn
back
up
it
in
up.
the saddle, me than your nan.
Back it up.
Back it up, plata.
My friend, you ready?
You turn up in the saddle,
ready?
me than. Him love when me hand for the ground, me body cock up.
Back it up.
Him love when me body cock up. Hand for the ground, me body cock up. Him love when me body
Is this in Jamaica or where is
cock up.
this?
Come down. Back up now.
Wine and go down, girl.
Back up.
Is this in Jamaica? Where is this?
Cock it up. Balance. She tired. She tired.
Oh, this is in Miami.
You tired?
Oh.
You tired? So bust the split then now. Bust the split.
Bust a split. Nah,
So how do
Shin.
you like that?
Nah, Shin's different.
At this point, who take it? She or she?
Shit.
Who?
Hold on,
Who?
hold on. Put that on.
I don't want to be biased. I don't want to be biased, Fire Skull. Was it her
Did she make it?
or was it her?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. She did a split though. You can't really beat
Give it
that.
up for my ladies, boiler room. Wait,
Everybody hands up. Everybody hands up.
and I want everybody to cover your eyes like this
Everybody
right now.
cover your face. Everybody.
Why now we are swimming right now, boiler room?
Oh, wait,
Ready.
And if you hear this and then go on the back, go on with your knees, let me shake it to the max.
Shake it.
DJ please turn up the bass to the max.
Go.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to
Why
the
now?
max. Shake it to the max.
Ooh, I like this beat.
To the max. Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it.
That's Batman.
Bad man, chill out.
Bad man, chill out.
A bad man, chill out.
Uh-oh.
Bad
Hold
man,
on.
chill out.
Hold
Bad
on.
man, chill out.
She getting lit.
Chill out. Bad man, chill
What's the matter? You put the bad in your side. How you dealing with the bad?
Make your first
Could
good
I
and never
never
take a last.
Hey, whoa, whoa.
Fling out the city.
Whoa!
Girl, make you so wrong. Original girl, some of them are in a car.
Cover your face. Cover your face. Everybody just cover your face.
DJ
Cover your
please turn
face.
up the bass
Cover
to
your
the max.
face.
Please
Yes.
just rewind, let me shake it to
Yes.
the max.
Okay. Shake it to the max. What we do?
Shake it to the max.
What we do?
Shake it to the max.
Whoa!
Shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for talk. Man, I watch my body like say they want watch a match.
Okay.
Anything you say, them girl, I do it like it's tack.
Okay.
Me wanna money,
Bomb glide!
real bad girl, I get nasty. Do whatever me want, just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my booms and him still fall in love.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to check out it. I haven't checked out any of her albums, but I'm about to check out one of her albums.
Rice and peas, body hotter than a love. I feel bigger tears anyway. You
Everybody know.
Hey.
And if you hear this and then go on at your back, go on at your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hey.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Ready. Everybody just shake it to the max.
Please just right, let me shake to the max. Make some nice up in a boiler room.
Goodness gracious me, bro.
Mickey, I pray one day. So
She's got a voice, bro.
thankful like the wind.
It's on the road.
She's really got a voice.
Who up in here tonight? Like, float on with the wave.
Ready.
The whole world knows when a bright light starts to fade.
Sure.
Oh, you make me feel.
Wow, she's really
Make
good. She
some
can really
noise
sing.
for Shenseea.
Thank you so much, Boiler Room. I love you guys so much.
Yeah, Chad, I think I done found the one, bruh. I think I done found the one. If y'all enjoyed this reaction on YouTube, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Twitch, where I do all these reactions live. As y'all can see, I do have some Afrobeats reactions. But we react to a bunch of different stuff, man. We react to Afrobeats. We react to rap. We react to R&B. Like, this is a wide variety community where we give music a chance. Nah, man, Shenseea, she's easily, man, she might be one of the most beautiful women I've ever seen. So yeah, bro, goodness gracious, that woman is stunning, absolutely stunning.